Today, the angels bring an extremely important message directly to you about someone who holds a constant place in your thoughts and emotions. This person has a fundamental revelation that has been kept for some time. He needs you to understand how deep the void left by his absence is, how your life seems to lose alignment without him around. Nothing flows or materializes as expected in his absence. This person, whose thoughts and feelings are intertwined with yours, fervently believes that you were created for each other, that you are the manifestation of his true love. However, this belief has remained hidden, kept as a precious secret. The reason for this lies in the ongoing struggle he faces when trying to express his deepest emotions and feelings. Sincerely, he sees in you the ideal partnership, the person who complements his existence, but the scars left by past traumas and personal challenges have caused him to withdraw, creating a barrier to protect himself from the outside world. This emotional shield he has built around himself is the result of an intense fear of reliving past pains. He fears that by opening up completely, he may once again find himself vulnerable to emotional wounds, which makes him hesitate to fully share the intensity of his feelings for you. The uncertainty about the future, concerns about the difficulties that may arise, and the possibility of facing seemingly insurmountable challenges torment him constantly. This fear not only holds him back, but also creates a cloud of doubt that obscures the full potential of a shared life. However, despite these internal barriers, there is a powerful force within him that struggles to emerge, to break free from the bonds of insecurity and truly reveal itself to you. This energy, fueled by a deep and genuine affection for you, strives to overcome the past and connect with the promising future that both of you could have. When he looks into your eyes, he doesn't just see the person he loves, but he sees his own soul reflected back. It is a deep and undeniable connection, a true communion of spirits that transcends words, resonating with a harmony that he rarely experiences. This internal struggle, this conflict between the fear of the past and the desire for the future, defines the current state of his heart. He is on a personal journey, trying to reconcile his desire for love and intimacy with the fear of new pain. Each day is a step towards the potential of fully opening his heart to you, of shedding the armor he has built around himself and embracing the vulnerability that true love demands. In addition to a deep emotional connection, he feels an undeniable and intense physical attraction for you. This attraction manifests as a burning desire for intimacy, an intense longing to be close, to share moments not only emotionally, but also physically. However, a barrier stands between desire and action: fear. This fear is not simply a fleeting hesitation. It is a constant presence that acts as a dense veil, obscuring and distorting the clarity of his feelings. He finds himself struggling against this veil, trying to find a way to express his true feelings, but often feels hindered, as if he is paralyzed by uncertainty and concern about how his emotions might be received. Despite these challenges, it is crucial to recognize his determination to overcome these obstacles. He has concrete plans to open up to you in the next 6 months. This is not a vague or undefined plan. It is marked by a firm commitment to make a significant change in the way he relates to you. The exact timing of this revelation might vary. It could be today, tomorrow, next week, or perhaps next month, depending on how circumstances unfold. The most important thing is that he is committed to this journey of self-expression and preparing to be emotionally and physically available in a way he has never been before. What you can expect for sure is that within this designated 6-month period, there will be a shift in the dynamics between you. You will gain a clearer and more accurate insight into where you both stand in relation to each other. This change will not be subtle. It will be evident and striking, reflecting a new level of openness and vulnerability on his part. He is aware that this step is essential not only for the growth of the relationship, but also for his personal development. He understands that the path ahead may be challenging, and that moments of doubt and hesitation may arise as he struggles to remove the veil that has kept his true feelings hidden. However, his determination to confront these fears and move towards a more intimate and authentic relationship is strong. He wants to build a foundation of trust and transparency with you, desiring that both of you share not only joys and successes, but also vulnerabilities and fears. This person, whose thoughts and feelings have been consumed by the idea of a shared life with you, is deeply engaged in reflections on what the future could bring for both of you. The prospect of a future together is both frightening and enchanting to him. There is an undeniable allure to the idea of sharing days, weaving dreams and reality side by side, but there is also a hesitation, a fear that arises from past experiences that did not go well. He is haunted by the concern that history may repeat itself, that complications may arise again and hinder the flow of this longed-for union. However, what dominates his thoughts more than anything is the fear of loneliness. The idea of being alone, of not having someone to share life's ups and downs with, weighs heavier on his heart than the fear of the unknown. This dread of a solitary existence is more potent than any uncertainty about what a relationship with you could entail. It is this need for connection, intimacy, and partnership that is compelling him to consider a significant change in how he relates to you. Therefore, in the coming months, be prepared for a remarkable leap of faith on his part. He is gearing up to take a decisive step towards you, a gesture of openness and honesty that he hopes will strengthen the bond between you. He wants to be completely transparent with you, expressing his deepest feelings and vulnerabilities, in the hope that this will establish a firm foundation for the future together. He not only desires but needs to take this step to avoid the fate of a life of isolation that he fears so much. He is, therefore, willing to take a risk, to set aside old fears in favor of an opportunity to do the right things this time. An offer is being formulated, a sincere proposal that he plans to present, and that has the potential to significantly alter the course of your lives. This offer is not just a formality, it is an invitation to embark on a joint journey, a shared commitment aimed at building a future where both of you are partners and confidants. Be open and receptive to this new phase that is about to begin. The person we are talking about is currently immersed in an intense journey of introspection and deep reflection. He is fully dedicated to the process of carefully considering how to carry out a very meaningful offer that he wants to make to you. He is engaged in a thorough evaluation of every aspect of this proposal, from the wording to the approach of the situation, with a keen eye for all the details involved. This meticulousness demonstrates how crucial he considers this next step, and his determination to carry it out in the most correct way reflects the importance that you have for him and the value he places on your relationship. He is fully aware that every detail matters, and that precision in his actions can define the future of both. This is not just a romantic gesture, it is a statement of intentions that he intends to make with total clarity and sincerity. He wants this offer to not only meet expectations, but also to open up new possibilities for your relationship. For him, it is essential that everything be planned and executed perfectly, because he understands that the impact of this moment can be transformative. However, it is crucial to understand that the preparation process for such a significant step involves time and deep self-assessment. Currently, he does not feel completely ready to move forward. This does not indicate a lack of desire or hesitation due to lack of interest. On the contrary, he is consciously investing his time and energy in his personal journey of self-discovery and growth. He is focused on improving himself, on facing his insecurities, and overcoming the barriers that may prevent him from expressing himself fully. He is committed to transforming into the best version of himself, not only for you but as an act of self-respect and personal evolution. He realizes that by improving himself, he will be better prepared to contribute more meaningfully to your relationship. He wants to ensure that when he finally makes this offer, everything is perfectly aligned, both emotionally and practically, so that both can move forward together harmoniously and with full confidence in each other. As he continues with his inner journey, he is dedicating more and more efforts to achieve a deeper sense of happiness, strengthening his inner core and seeking a more complete personal fulfillment. This internal transformation is not a sudden event, but a gradual and extremely crucial process that is shaping him for a truly sincere and meaningful encounter with you. He is aware that this internal maturation is essential to ensure that, when he finally feels ready, he can offer the best of himself in the relationship. He firmly believes that by reaching this new stage of personal satisfaction, he will be more equipped to face and overcome any challenges that may arise between you, strengthening the relationship in a lasting way. Although from the outside it may sometimes seem like he doesn't care or seems distant, the reality is completely different. His mind and heart are often with you, reflecting on what life would be like by your side. He thinks of you constantly, not only in a superficial way, but in a deeply integrated way into his life and his vision of the future. He imagines how wonderful it would be to share every aspect of daily life with you and your family, thinking about how each little detail could be intertwined with yours. This vision of a shared life goes beyond just living together. He envisions a complete integration of your lives in a way that is meaningful and harmonious. He dreams of a future where your routines, challenges, joys, and sorrows are shared and faced together as a cohesive team. This idea, hopeful and promising as it may be, also carries with it the weight of reality, knowing that such commitment requires significant changes and continuous dedication from both sides. Of course, facing such changes can be a daunting prospect. The idea of completely changing your current life and the commitments that it implies can generate fear and hesitation. However, he is determined to overcome these fears. He is committed to doing what is necessary for this vision to become a reality, facing any obstacles that may appear on the way with courage and determination. He understands that these challenges are just part of the process of building a solid and enriching relationship that both deserve. At this moment, he is deeply immersed in thoughts about you, dedicating his thoughts to how he can overcome the fears and anxieties surrounding this relationship, which he considers exceptionally special. The love he nurtures for you is authentic and intense, a feeling that emerges from the depths of his being. He is completely determined to confront and overcome any emotional barrier that may interfere with the path he wants to follow by your side. Every time you express your love and support, you send a powerful message to the universe, a sign that both are ready to face any challenges that may arise, reinforcing the mutual commitment to make this relationship not only survive, but truly thrive. It is essential that you are equally prepared to deal with possible frustrations or uncertainties that may emerge on this shared path. At each step, it is important that you affirm both internally and to him that your love is deep and unwavering, and that you are fully engaged in overcoming any obstacles that may arise. This determination of both to face adversities together is what strengthens the relationship, making it grow more fortified and cohesive. Furthermore, the process of reconciliation involves much more than simply picking up where things left off or reliving a past relationship. It is an opportunity to address and resolve outstanding issues, to clarify misunderstandings, and to repair any damages that may have been caused. It is a joint effort to shape a future that both desire to share, based on understanding, respect, and genuine love. This commitment to rebuild, to work together to establish a solid foundation, is what will allow the relationship to flourish in new and beautiful ways. Therefore, as you walk together on this journey, remember that every small gesture of love and every word of support are bricks that build the structure of a shared life. Face each challenge as an opportunity to strengthen your bond, and each day as a chance to come even closer to each other. With this mindset and mutual dedication, you will not only overcome obstacles, but also create a resilient and love-filled relationship, ready to face whatever the future may bring. Remember, you are worthy and loved. If you agree, type, I am deserving and destined for a true love and with truth, a love that transcends all barriers. Fully internalize this message and all the blessings it contains, repeating convincingly, love is a beautiful, strong, and happy feeling, and I deserve to love and be loved in its entirety and fullness. Share your reflections and experiences in the comments. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the upcoming inspiring messages. I look forward to seeing you soon. Together, we will lift our spirits and create waves of positive energy that will envelop the world. Be attentive to the next important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe continue to light your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.